How to increase transfer limit on Dave application. Increasing your transfer or ExtraCash limit on Dave application is primarily done by improving account eligibility through consistent, timely repayments and maintaining a steady income rather than a manual request. The app automatically re-evaluates your eligibility daily, allowing for potential increases in limits up to $500 as you build trust on the application. So if you're looking for optimization of your chances of increasing your Dave limits, there are some things that you need to consider, like establishing consistent repayments, linking active bank accounts, receiving direct deposits, and waiting for daily updates. If you meet the requirements, Dave updates your available limits every day at midnight. If you have recently settled an outstanding balance, you can check the app by following Dave for an increased. This video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.